guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today you're in my bathroom because I'm cutting my hair. I have heat damage, I have a lot of single strand knots, I have split ends, you name it, I got it. And my hair is long, you know, it looks good when it's blown out, but when it's curly, which is mostly the way I wear it, it don't look that good. So I blew it out. I already deep conditioned, shampooed. This is what my hair is looking like before we cut it. I've been natural for about 6-7 years. I'm losing count. And so yeah, I thought I'd cut and shape my hair, or at least try to. If I mess it up, it's my own fault, but at least I don't have to worry about a salon doing it for me. Because I don't have the time, patience, any of that. Like, I really don't want to, go to the salon. So what I plan on doing is making it shapely. Right now it's just straight and blah, and this is what it looks like kind of when it's curly, and it's just boring. So we're going to get rid of some much needed ends, and I watch videos. I'm not going to talk too much because I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm going to just let you guys watch. And my mirror is right here, so yeah, let's just get started. But before we do, I have hair curtain shears. I bought these not too long ago, so they're still sharp, still good, and all that. Got some hair clips, and I have different size combs, rat tail, and whatever this is. So when I get to those bad ends, I'll be able to feel it and see them, of course, and all that stuff. So just so you guys know what I'm doing, normally when I cut or trim my hair, I go straight down, but since I'm trying to shape it, I'm going to go out. I'm just going to make sure I use my comb, my brush, and everything, and make sure I'm cutting the right amount. Okay, so I'm done with 1/2. I might go in a little bit more, but it looks like it's curving out some compared to my other side. Can you guys see the difference? Like, this is starting to get more shape. It's just blah. I like how this is looking. It even feels good. I can go in a little bit more though, but I don't want to get scissor happy. But I am happy with how it's looking compared to this side. I didn't even take a lot off, but it's already giving. Also guys, this is just to get like a base. When I go back to being curly and I style my hair, then I will cut more. And I'll see like what the shrinkage is looking like and everything like that. But I'm liking how it's looking. I hope any home hairdressers that's like watching is not cringing. Let me know if I'm doing a good job though, if y'all watching. So yeah, let's just do the side. It should be fairly easy because I'm gonna just match up the other side. Alright guys, so this is what I'm looking like after some final cleaning up off camera. I like it. I'm going to definitely cut more while it's curly just so I can really see how it will lay. But it definitely feels better. I needed that and I didn't have to cut a lot. This is all the hair that I cut, so I'll definitely be cutting more. And we'll just see how it goes, you know? Hair grows back, I'm over it. This damage, I'm pretty sure I didn't get all of it. I just can't see it when it's, you know, straight. So yeah, it looks good though, but this is more like a trim, I would have to say, like not a cut like I intended. Hey guys, and I am back, and I just wanted to show you guys what my hair what it looks like when it's styled after I cut it and everything. Keep in mind that it is still a stress style, so I'm not gonna cut anymore until I am fully back curly, you know, once I wash my hair and stuff like that. But I do like what it looks like. You see, I kind of got like it going like that, and I cut my front pretty short, so especially when it's curly, it's probably gonna be like almost like a bang, but we'll see. And I do feel like I can cut some more, but I think I did pretty good. And it was way easier to take my hair down. Like I really needed that trim slash cut or whatever it was that I did. After I showed you guys how much hair I cut, I probably cut like the same amount again, and I just like went around my head and stuff like that. I do feel like my right side is longer than my left, but I'll get it together. I just wanted to show you guys the final results of the cut once it's styled. I picked it out some, so I do feel like I get to get volume easier. It just looks better to me. So, you know, if you guys agree, then let me know in the comments down below. If you ever cut your hair, let me know how it went. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.